Want a brighter smile in just 5 minutes? Forget expensive treatments. You can whiten your teeth at home using a simple, natural remedy that gives you fast results. This powerful DIY whitening trick removes stains, leaving your teeth sparkling white in no time. Why do teeth turn yellow? Over time, teeth become discolored due to coffee, tea, and red wine, smoking, poor oral hygiene, aging, and enamel wear. 5-minute DIY teeth whitening recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon baking soda, Minnesone ½ teaspoon hydrogen peroxide, a few drops of lemon juice optional, water to adjust. Consistency instructions: 1. Mix all ingredients into a smooth paste. 2. Apply to your toothbrush and gently brush for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Rinse thoroughly with water. 4. Repeat twice a week for a brighter smile. Why this works: baking soda removes surface stains and neutralizes acids. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleach that whitens teeth safely. Lemon juice optional, enhances whitening but should be used in moderation. Additional tips for whiter teeth: brush and floss daily. Maintain good oral hygiene. Drink through a straw. Prevent stains from beverages. Eat crunchy fruits and veggies. Apples and carrots help clean teeth naturally. Whitening your teeth at home has never been easier. This quick and simple recipe can give you a dazzling smile in just 5 minutes. Try it today and see the difference.